Today we are going to alcohol, phenol and ethers. Alcohol, phenol and ether. What are the functional group of alcohol? ROH. ROH. R means the alkyl group and OH means hydroxyl group. The functional group of alcohol is the ROH. It is also known as the alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol. Second, phenol. AROH. The OH group is directly attached to aromatic compound. OH group is directly attached to aromatic compound is known as the phenol, or it is in the structure is written by the aromatic OH. Third is the ether. What are the functional group of ether? ROR. ROR. R means the alkyl or aryl group. R means the alkyl or aryl group. What are the functional group of alcohol, phenol and ether? ROH. In this structure is also known as the alkyl alcohol. Second is the aromatic alcohol, and third is the ether. R means the alkyl or aryl group. Both are the alkyl group or aryl groups. Same or different is known as the ether. Today we learn to phenol. Today we learn to phenol. What are phenols? What are phenols? What are phenol? The phenol, the hydroxyl derivatives of phenol, the hydroxyl derivatives of benzene is known as phenol. The hydroxyl derivatives of benzene is known as phenol. The hydroxyl derivatives of benzene is known as phenol. What are the classification of phenols? Or what are the phenols and how are they classified? Phenols are classified into three types. First is the monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenol means they contain only one OH group. Means in this aromatic structure is attached to OH group, or only one OH group is directly attached to aromatic rings or benzene ring is known as the phenol. Second is the dihydric phenol. Dihydric phenol. They contains two OH group. Only one OH group or hydroxyl group is known as the monohydric alcohol. Dihydric phenol means they contains two OH group. Or hydroxyl group, or two OH group is directly attached to aromatic structure, or benzene is known as the dihydric phenol. What are the example of dihydric phenols? In this structure, two OH group is directly attached to aromatic ring or aromatic unsaturated rings is known as the dihydric phenol. What are the unsaturated hydrocarbons? Unsaturated hydrocarbon means the carbon-carbon containing double bond. The carbon-carbon containing double bond or carbon-carbon containing triple bond is known as the unsaturated hydrocarbons. In this benzene ring consist of the alternating double or single bond. In this carbon-carbon consist of the double bond. Next carbon-carbon consist of the single bond. Next carbon-carbon consist of the double bond. Next carbon-carbon consist of the single bond. Next carbon-carbon consist of the double bond. And last is carbon-carbon consist of the single bond is known as the unsaturated hydrocarbons. In this unsaturated structure or in this aromatic ring containing two hydroxyl group is known as the dihydric phenol. Third is the trihydric phenol. Third is the trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol. Mono means only one OH group. Di means two OH group. And tri means three OH group. Tri means three OH group. They contains three OH group. Or aromatic structure is directly attached to three hydroxyl group. The aromatic structure is OH group is directly attached to hydroxyl group. Aromatic structure. OH group is directly attached to aromatic structure or three hydroxyl group is directly attached to aromatic structure is known as the trihydric phenol. Example: in this aromatic structure consist of the three hydroxyl group. In this aromatic structure consist of the three hydroxyl group. Monohydric alcohol. In this structure consist of the only one OH group. In this structure consist of the two OH group. And last, trihydric phenols consist of the three hydroxyl group. And last structure consist of the three hydroxyl group is known as the trihydric alcohol. What are phenols? The hydroxyl derivatives of benzene is known as the phenol. Phenols are classified into mainly three types. First is the monohydric phenol. They contains only one OH group. They contains only one OH group. Only one OH group. In this example is also known as the monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenol. Second example or second type, dihydric phenol. They contains two OH group. They contains two OH group is known as dihydric phenol. Third example of in this structure or in this unsaturated aromatic structure consist of the two hydroxyl group is known as the dihydric phenol. Third is the trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol means they contains three hydroxyl group. They contains three hydroxyl group or unsaturated aromatic structure. The unsaturated aromatic structure consists of the three hydroxyl group. The aromatic structure consists of the three hydroxyl group is known as the trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol. Next, nomenclature of phenols. Next, nomenclature of phenol. Nomenclature of phenol. First, the nomenclature of phenol. Nomenclature of phenol. The IUPAC name of phenol is known as the benzenol. The IUPAC name of phenol. The IUPAC name of phenol is known as benzenol. Second, the common name of phenol is also accepted by IUPAC name. The common name of phenol. The common name of phenol. The common name of phenol is also accepted by IUPAC. Third rules. The prefix of common name. The prefix of common name system. The prefix of common name system. Artho, meta, para, in substituted, etc. In substituted, substituent. Four rules. IUPAC system is used to locant. The IUPAC system used to locant 2, 3, 4, etc. The IUPAC system, the IUPAC name system used to locant 2, 3, 4, etc. in indicated by position of substance. Is in indicated by indicate the position of substituent. Indicate the position of substituent. An example of the nomenclature of phenols. Examples of the nomenclature of phenol. First is the structural formula. Second, common name. Third, IUPAC name. IUPAC name. First example, the aromatic ring containing OH group. The aromatic ring containing OH group. OH group is directly attached to benzene ring. The name of the structure is the phenol. Or IUPAC name system. Name of the structure is the IUPAC name system. Phenol is also known as the benzenol. It is also known as the phenol, or it is also known as the benzenol. It is also known as the benzenol. Second example, the aromatic ring containing 2 OH group. Aromatic ring containing 2 OH group. In this structure is also known as the common name system catechol or IUPAC name systems. The name of the structure is benzene. In this ring is also known as benzene. And 1,2 position consists of the 2 types of OH group. OH group is also known as the OL. And in this OL consists of the 2 times. Name of the structure is the diol. Benzene 1, 1,2 diol. Third example, in this benzene ring